If your HVAC system is short cycling in cold weather, it's probably messing with your comfort and driving your energy bills up without you even realizing it. So first, check where your thermostat is sitting, because if it's near a heat source or a draft, it's going to give your HVAC system wrong signals and cause short cycling. Next, peek outside at your outdoor unit. If you see ice buildup, that's a huge red flag. Ice can block airflow and make your system shut down and restart way too often. You can gently remove ice with warm water or a soft brush, but don't use anything harsh that could damage the fins. Also, make sure your air filters are clean, because clogged filters restrict airflow, which can trigger short cycling. Keep your vents open and unblocked to help air circulate properly. Another tip is to schedule regular HVAC maintenance before winter hits, so any small issues don't turn into big headaches. Finally, if you notice weird noises or your system keeps turning on and off, call a pro instead of letting it slide. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC short cycling in cold weather is ignoring the thermostat placement. If it's in a spot that gets direct sunlight or near appliances that give off heat, the system thinks the house is warmer than it really is and shuts off too soon. The fix? Move the thermostat or use a remote sensor for better temperature readings. Another common issue is ice buildup on the outdoor unit blocking airflow. Many folks just ignore it or try to chip it off aggressively, which can damage the unit. Instead, gently melt the ice with warm water and keep it clear throughout winter. Lastly, dirty air filters are a classic cause of short cycling because they choke your system's airflow, so swapping them out regularly is an easy fix that saves money and stress. BigHomeProjects.com is the go-to place for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors get connected with jobs that match their skills and availability, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.